fire.
God, I think the world is about to collapse. Come on, man. The buildings, the walls, they're all falling. If you thought you should by now, it's the motherfucking snow cones. Snow cones in the building. And you rockin' with Singapore King. It's flame. Motherfucker, ain't fucking around no more. No fucking around. Come on. It's 2008, Dunny. All eyes are staring at me. People watching the villain. They see me rising with the rebels to the top of the building. Being stuck down at the bottom is divine. That's feeling desolate souls. I'm vodka to swilling, popping a pillin'. Jealousy swirling in the eyes that's plotting to kill them. But I've been there, believe me, I ain't forgotten the feeling. I lived in dark nights and heard the pain drops from the ceiling. I mean the raindrops, hanging in cane spots with dealers now. I'm fighting a different war, smoking less, sniffing more. Every week a different shore, every month a different tour. I got a gang of haters every day, I piss them off a little more. What you think I got a fucking pistol for? Jealousy's a disease that affect my enemies. They scheming while they sipping on the Hennessy. Me, I'm overseas, making G's like I stick banks. Rockin' mics, sniffing foreign coke out of split.
We bring the devastation, never a moment of hesitation. When we smash your face and leave your blood pasted upon the pavement. The sun just saying, keeping it rugged, fuck the debating. What you talk about, you weak, our fury is full of hate. We bring the devastation, never a moment of hesitation. When we smash your face and leave your blood pasted upon the pavement. The sun just saying, keeping it rugged, fuck the debating. What you talk about, you weak, our fury is full of hatred.
It's no benefits, trying to test me or my affiliates. Soon as you consider it, we smack dudes illiterate. Sidestep the petty shit, forever it's a militant's mission to get the cheese and stretch it like mozzarella sticks. Test me, I'm ready, my girl got my machete and she's ready to cut your throat like Chiquita and Belly. You was hard as a rock, now you sweeter than jelly. No one believes the shit that you spit or you tell me. Despite how you think it looks, I'll never play by the books. The silent kid in the room is really the biggest crook. Pulling off the biggest crooks, still every cranny and nook. Fight to the death with guns and knives or left hooks. Dudes talk the talk, but then the walk ain't similar. We'll separate your soul from your body like oil and vinegar. High off the sticky, insane when I'm sober. Spit poison in my verse like Killer Cobra.
Style raw, kick it rugged like a timber, crack your face. This demonic place, catch me in hell while I create this. Ill rhyme spawn, so my mind is gone with the wind. I'm better than half you rappers who faking it like pretend. Till the end, I'ma murder this. MCs keep on observing this. I hear you bite my shit and they gon' find you where the murder was. I kick an L6, twisted acapella when I rock a fella, rolling with dime bitches and cock and hellas. My rhyme is close to slowly pulling out your guts while your whole body's soaked in alcohol and paper cuts. Then the night slides until your right die. You think you might die, you right, you see the visions of your life fly right past you. My clique will really bash you into your skull and suck your brains out like a vacuum. My back room is filled with goons and street dogs. Killers hate love, swinging me coward and pull straight. We bring the devastation, never a moment of hesitation. When we smash your face and leave your blood pasted upon the pavement. The sun just saying, keeping it rugged, fuck the debating. What you talk about, you weak, our fury is full of hate. We bring the devastation, never a moment of hesitation. When we smash your face and leave your blood pasted upon the pavement. The sun just saying, keeping it rugged, fuck the debating. What you talk about, you weak, our fury is full of hatred.